Hey, it's Archie, Jonathan Archie, and today we're going to explore the pros and the cons of buying a fixer-upper and give you the tips on how to approach it. Now, a fixer-upper is simply a home that needs work, whether it's due to physical issues like repairs or outdated features that need renovation. You'll often find these homes listed at a lower price on the market, usually because the seller is offering a deal for someone willing to take on the work. Now, there are a few different approaches you can take with a fixer-upper. If you're buying it to fix and flip, your goal is to renovate quickly and sell for a profit. This means focusing on cosmetic improvements like fresh paint, modernizing the kitchen and bathrooms, and boosting curb appeal. But the timing is key, especially in a hot market. And you might want to minimize your time holding onto that property, so planning your renovations efficiently is critical. Now, for those planning to hold long term, it's a different strategy. You're more focused on making durable, quality improvements that will stand the test of time. And that means fixing structural issues, upgrading utilities, and investing in energy efficiency that will make your home more valuable and easier to rent out or sell later while generating steady cash flow in the meantime. And when you begin searching for those properties, understand that it requires patience and persistence, especially in a slow market or when inventory is low. You'll come across many properties, but at the end of the day, make sure that it fits into your personal financial position because it can definitely become costly. Whether you're flipping or holding, knowing the actual cost of repairs helps you avoid surprises down the road. And this is why it is important that you do your homework, especially that you conduct a thorough inspection of the property. And don't just stop there. Get bids from contractors for any major repairs and use those to negotiate with the seller. If you stay committed, especially with the right real estate professional, you will find the property that is best suited for you. So with everything that I shared, I hope it helped, and I hope you have a great day.